So Chuck, that's one of the inspection plugs for the Lombard.
Yeah.
And they don't seem to make wrenches, 8-point wrenches that'll fit that today. So you've designed and built a custom wrench.
We had to make our own.
Wow. So that's the wrench.
That's it.
Beautiful. Isn't that nice? And that had to fit into a really tight spot to take these out. We're going to try it out and see if it works.
We're going to see that it works.
Very nice. I guess it's working great, Chuck. Beautiful.
I tell you, we just took all the nuts off.
Push on down, move it down one more so you got to pull up. That's the worst way to do it. There you go.
So Herb,